The PRV Audio DSP 2.8X offers an intuitive interface with an LCD display that allows real-time audio adjustments, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. With the ability to handle 2 audio inputs and provide 8 independent channel outputs, this processor offers versatile audio source options, enhancing your car audio experience. The integrated 15-band graphic equalizer provides both manual tuning and 12 preset options, allowing users to customize their sound to match various music genres. The digital crossover feature offers professional equalization adjustments with a parametric equalizer, enabling precise control over frequency settings and bandwidth. The sequencer feature allows for sequential triggering of other devices, which adds convenience and expands the system's functionality. Built by PRV Audio, this compact and lightweight processor measures 101 millimeters in height and weighs 454 grams, making it easy to install in most vehicles.